Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you what we're doing today. This is the actual Porsche 996 that came in. The customer bought the actual two front seats. This is of a, he said the 991, but it looks like the 997 seats to me. So anyway, they look similar. Okay, so this is what we done. So we had to actually put the light on. Had to run a new wiring harness for this, for the back to work. So that's working. All right. Had to actually tidy up the cables underneath here, so you can actually. What I done is I actually didn't cut anything from the car, so I ran new wire harness from the signal and power wire and earth to actually make sure that if you do take this seat off, we can reuse it, the 996 in the future. So this is the 997 type seat. So that one's working. Let's go check the other side. Alright, this is the other side here. So this side here we had to actually we're using the same seat belt from before, so it's easier because the wiring is already gone through the seat down here and go around there. Otherwise we're going to actually have to strip down the seat. So that's the same seat belt, it works. So everything works on that one. So on the 997, have a look. This is the 996 belt buckle. So that's 996 seat belt, and that's a 997 seat belt buckle, and it works. Alright, so everything works here. So the actual moving back, yeah. So this is not an easy job to do because you've got to actually look up the signal for the actual for the seat belt. I had to look up the wiring diagram for the 997 to compare to the 996 to find out which wire that goes for the actual seat belt. There's a seat belt wire that goes to the airbag ECU. So you're gonna put the right one back in here. So that's underneath the car now, underneath the seat belt. Everything's done properly. Like I said before, I still use the wiring harness, make up my own harness so I don't damage the 996 harness, just in case in the future somebody wants to put a right hand side, seat 996 seats back in the car. Then you can actually use it. So I'm gonna start it up to see, make sure there's no light coming up on the dash. Take the light off. Manual. Alright, that's for the handbrake, and that's only for that light will goes off, spoiler, when you drive the car off. There's no faults logged in the system. Everything's back to normal now. So yep, we have to actually get the cable. We have to find the cable for this radio. I had it before, but I'm not sure where I put it in the workshop. I misplaced it somewhere. It's too tiny and too small, so I'm gonna have to get the customer to come back for that. At the same time, wire up the heat seating to make it work for this car here. So he's got to get the buttons for the heat seating as well, so I can wire it up. Okay, so this kind of work, if you don't do it properly, you're gonna have faults coming up on the actual instrument cluster, especially the airbag signal. Alright, so it's not an easy, just throw the seat in there and hope for the best. Do it properly. And then we put the scan tool inside the car already, and we scanned the car, there's no faults logged. Everything's fine. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.